Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial what we are going to do is let us confirm the user's final activity, that is final order. So to do that, now we are going to create a new class for it to confirm the final order of the user, and we can create an empty activity. We can name it as confirm final order activity. Yeah, it's being created. Let us wait for it. Yeah, it's created, and right now we can design it. We need to import the class, and now here instead of constraint layout we can use the relative layout, and here what we need is we can display a text view. It should be wrap content. What we can do is text, please write your shipment details. And the size should be 17 sp, and 17 is not so small, and we can make it to center horizontal to true, and margin top will be 50 40. 40 is good. Yeah, 40 is good. And now we will have the color. Text color is primary dark, and we can text style should be bold. Yeah, it should be bold, and 17 is also so small, we can give it as 24. Yeah, 24 is better, and I think we can make it as 22. Now it's perfect, and now we can give an id for it. The id should be just, we are not going to use this anywhere, so we can give it as text view itself. And now for your shipment details you can get some inputs. Before that we can convert it to scroll view, and we can create a relative layout. Match parent. Yeah, because we'll be getting some details from the user. And yeah, here is the scroll view, and now we can add some edit text. It should be of match parent wrap content. It should be below text view. It should be below text view, and margin top is 10 dp, and for it, before this we can just delete it. And the hint is, let us give the hint. Before the hint and write the text style. Text color should be primary dark, and size should be 22 dp, 22 sp. And what else do we need? We need a hint color. Hint color should be color primary dark, and we need some padding 4 dp, and now margin left will be 15 dp, and margin right also will be 15 dp, and now it is perfect. Yeah, we can close it and we can copy it. We can paste it for, we need name, phone number, and address, city, and what else do we need? And I think it's enough. And we need mail address also. Mail address. I hope so. It's enough. What else is needed? Just think of it. We need mobile number, name, phone number, and email, shipment, and address. Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, everything is fine. So right now we can give the ID for it. ID is what ID it is. Now first we're gonna give the name, which is, we can give it as order name. It should be below this, where it is below, layout below. It should be below text view. And now we have phone number, which will be called as order phone number, and it will be called as, it will be below order, it will be below order name. And now then we have, it is layout below order phone number, and then we have, after that we have address, which is order address, and then we have which is ID, layout below order address, and it should be below address. And now we have city, order city, and then we will have layout below, it should be below order city, and now it should be, the ID is order mail. Yeah, it's done. Now hint should be email address. Yeah, your email address, and input type is email, text email address. And now we have hint as what it is. I think it is city. Yeah, city. And yeah, it is text, and we can have numbers also. Now we have address. Now the address is ID, not that one. We have what it is, address, which is hint we have it as address, your address, and text size. Okay, and then what else do we have? Here we have our phone number, hint your phone number, and then what else do we have is, what do we have is, we have order name, we have your name, your name. Yeah, that's it guys. We have designed the what it is, confirm final order activity, and now it's okay. And margin top we have not added, and I think it's better to add that margin top. I think we have already added it, where it is margin top, it is 10 dp. Okay, it's enough guys. So out of this relative layout, and inside this relative layout, we need to keep it as match parent, no, wrap content. And here what else do we need is, we need to create a button for it. Yeah, button, which is match parent and wrap content, and the id is confirm final order button. And then what else do we have is text confirm order, and now we have text all caps false, and background is buttons, and it should be below address, order address, not order address, it is below mail, order mail. And mm, instead of this relative layout, what we can do is, we have a better option, audio transparent. And now what we can do is, we can just wait for it. Let us wait for it. Just copy this relative layout, cut it, and now inside this, instead of this, we can relative layout, and now we have relative layout, and we have a scroll view right here. Yeah, it's giving us a error. Yeah, I think everything is fine, but yeah, we need scroll view inside. Yes, yes, yes. Otherwise, what we can do is, let us just comment out these lines, and now what we have is, yeah, it is match variant, and I think everything should work fine. And why it's showing error? And we have relative layout, scroll view, relative layout. Now we have, and what we can do is we can just close this button. Better let us just copy this and go to notepad, because we can't type it again. It is notepad, we can paste it, we can backspace it, and now everything is fine. Now here we can paste it right here. It should be at the bottom, parent bottom true, and we can give the padding as padding is 20 dp. 20 dp is good. I don't know why it's not padding, because scroll view above, confirm final order button, confirm final order button, yeah, and then it should work. It is padding, we need margin, not padding, so we can create the margin as 20 dp, and now it's fine, it's looking pretty good. Now after this we can just get the, and we can create a text view right here at the middle of it. It should be below the scroll view. We can give the scroll view some id. Scroll view is up to here, but the relative layout is up to here only. So what we can do is we need to give a text view also, and we have a text view right here, and id in input type, and yeah, it should be below, it's already there below, it should be below order mail. And here what we are going to display is, we are going to display the total amount, and the text size is going to be 20 dp, and it is width should be wrap content, and it is center horizontal true, so it will be at the center, and margin top should be 20 dp. Now it is fine. Yeah, so now to calculate total amount, what we want to do is, so before that we can initialize all the variables, and we have private text view, we have total amount, and we have edit text, we can write it as order, we can name it as order, what else, name, phone number, address. Yeah, order name, order phone, order address, order, what is it, order mail, and it is order city. Yeah, that's what we have. Yeah, we have 5 edit text and 1 text view, and we have one more button also. 5 edit text, 1 text view, 1 button, which will be called as confirm final order button. Private button confirm order. Yeah, now we have this much. Now we can find view id, and for text view I think we have not given any id. For this text view we can view the id as total amount, total amount, order total amount, it will be good, order total amount, because it's an order activity, so order total amount is good. And now we can find view id, total amount equal to find, it's not finished, find view id or dot id dot total amount. And now we have 1 2 3 5 6 7, yeah, we have 7 items. We have order address, we have order city, we have order mail, we have order name, we have order phone, we have confirm order, and we have order address, we have order city, we have order mail, we have order phone number, we have order name, and we have confirm final order button. Yeah, it has confirm final order button. Yeah, this is what we have. Everything is perfect. Name, phone, mail, city, address, and total amount equal to total amount. Yeah, now it's fine. Now let us go to this cart activity to find the total amount. So for this, what we want to do is we need to create, to suppose if the user purchases 10 chicken and 2 cars, we need to calculate the total amount we need to display to the user so he can purchase it. So to do that, let us follow this. Private int overall total price. Let us set this equal to 0 because it's initial value, and below this come to, yeah, come here. Above this holder view, it will be run for, it will be, this method will be accessed for each product, that is for chicken also it will accept, and for car also it will loop for every items in the cart view. So what we are going to do here is we are going to create one more. So for that we know we need to calculate first for chicken. Let us we can show it to you. Don't save. Let me show it to you so you can understand. So here we have it as chicken and the quantity is 1. So first we need to get the chicken item and quantity. We should multiply the quantity into price. That is, if it is 1, then the price is 200. If it is 2, it is 400. Then if we have one more product that is as car, we need to calculate it for that also, and we need to add that car and chicken, and we need to display the overall total amount. To do that, first we need to do for one product, then for all the products. This will run for each product, so total amount can be calculated easily. So one type of product can be calculated by one type of product price, that is the quantity into price. Quantity into price. What we are going to do is, so one type product price equal to, and now we have integer dot value of model. It's not model. We have cart dot get price. First we are getting the price, and then what we are doing is we are multiplying it with integer integer dot value of model. It's cart dot get quantity. So we are multiplying the price and the quantity so we can get the total price of one type of product. And we are what we are gonna do is we are gonna add it with the overall total price. Overall total price equal to, we are gonna add one type product price plus what it is overall total price. Yeah, we're gonna do that. So one type of product will be calculated. Suppose if we have two chickens, it will be calculated as 400, and now if you have one car, it will be calculated as 10,000. Then 10,000 plus 400, it will be resulting as 10,400. So after that, what we need to do is we need to create the button for cart activity where it is. It's here. So for this button, we need to create the on-click listener. What is the idea of it? Confirm products button, and I think we have done it. Yeah, it's here. Yeah, confirm products button dot set on click listener, new view on click listener. And here what we are going to do is we need to send from this cart activity to the final, this is that is this activity. We need to send from here to here. So we need to create an intent I equal to new intent of cart activity dot this to confirm final order activity dot class. We need to put the we need to send this amount, which is overall total price, to the next activity. So we need to put it extra I dot put extra, and here we are going to put we need to create a key. We can give the key as key itself, otherwise we can give it as total price. Make sure it is small and it is caps. It should be same while we are retrieving, and we need to pass the string dot value. I think it's a big string, total price, string dot value of overall total price. So we are converting it to string and we are sending it to the next activity, that is confirm final order activity, and we need to start this activity. So right now we are starting it and we need to display it here. That is, let me show you. We need to display it here also. So to do that, we can just display it by what it is. We have named it as total amount. Yeah, on start. We can just display it here. Total amount dot set text. We need to copy this. That is the string dot value of. Copy it and paste it. Yeah, that's it guys. Now we have retrieved and we need to retrieve it in this confirm final order activity. So for that we can go to here and private string and then unexpected token. Yeah, we need to name the variable total amount. We can name it as total amount. Oh, it's already there, so we no need to final amount. Let us name it as overall overall total amount equal to null. We can get it right now here. Overall total amount equal to get intent dot get string extra, and we need to paste it here, the key value, which is this one where it is. Yeah, here it is. Copy it and you can paste it right here. Yeah, it's done right now. Yeah, is anything is missing? Yeah, we need to display the text view, this total amount. Total amount dot set text overall total amount, and we can display a toast message also because it is the because this is the amount, so we can display it as overall total amount. Yeah, now everything is fine. Now it should work greatly. So that's it for this tutorial guys, and let us work on this Java class in the next tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.